if you come to Lake Street, it takes about less than 1 minute to the Westfield Shopping Centre, just right up there. On level 3. It got a very strange smell. I don't like it. Let's look at the evacuation plan. So our room is 306. It's connected to 305. We can have a key to open this door, then walk to 305. Yeah, so it's obviously locked at this time. On my left side, this is the bathroom. So this bathroom is pretty tidy and clean. We got a quite small basin here, a hand towel and 2 hand towels over the top, large box of hand and body wash and body lotion, cleaning shaving kit, this is a sanitary bag and vanity kit and a shower cap there. Then down here we've got 2 toilet rolls and a small rubbish bin. There's a charging socket inside it as well. Down here we got a small toilet, a separate shower room. We got a floor mat here and rain shower head there and shower head there, and 3 large bottles of air conditioner and shampoo, hand and body wash here. It's very dirty if you come over inside. The shower head is quite dirty. Got this kitchen, a lot of cabinet over the top. In this cabinet, we got some large cake, some bowls, mugs and glasses up there. We've got a microwave here. Then down here there's a large bench. We got a kettle, some complimentary tea bag and sugars inside it and coffee as well. A Westinghouse electrical stove, and this is the mini bar. Got some snacks and a wine here, and this is the mini bar menu. And we got a large washing basin here. There are more cabinets down the bench. Let me quickly check it out. So in this drawer we've got some cutlery here, and it's a bit dirty. Saucepan over there and a very small chopping board. Here is a mini bar, mini fridge. Let me check it out. Different kinds of beer, but what's wrong? What happened over there? We got some sponge, dishwashing liquid and a cloth here. Then next to the kitchen, we've got this large closet. We got an iron board here, iron, and a hair dryer here. Indoor safe, some cloth hangers inside it. We've got 2 complimentary water. Then opposite this bed, we've got this large marble working desk and 2 chairs, 2 USB sockets and 2 charging outlets here. This intercom has so many functions inside it. We can close and open the curtain, but I've tried this one, but it's not working at all. Hi guys, it's almost time to check out now, so I'm going to summarize the highlights, lowlights and membership benefits for staying with Holiday Inn Parramatta on Marsden Street. Talking about highlights, I think this hotel has a very smart location. It's quite close to Parramatta CBD. We can easily get to the Westfield Shopping Centre. It's a very new hotel. I always love to stay with new hotels. Everything's pretty clean and tidy in this hotel. And the hotel room is quite spacious as well. Officially, it's 34 square meters. It even has a kitchen inside it, which is really good. Talking about the lowlights, the first thing I want to mention, like, it smells not that good. When I walked into this room, I really feel like if people have smoked in this room, It smells so bad and it's really hot and very stuffy inside it. Have to turn on the aircon, otherwise I cannot breathe. And the second low light I want to talk about is because it's quite close to the street, so it's very noisy. It has a very small restaurant. The restaurant only got 3 tables downstairs and the bar is quite small as well. But I think this is understandable because it's really close to Westfield Shopping Centre and Parramatta CBD. So there are a lot of restaurants around there. So it's not necessary for this hotel to have a very fancy bar and restaurant. Then comes to membership benefits. When I checked in, the staff didn't recognize my membership status and she didn't mention anything about membership benefits such as welcome gifts, welcome points, and I didn't receive any welcome points as well. As an IHG Platinum member, our room has been upgraded. I don't think that there are too many benefits applicable. Parramatta CBD is quite far away from the Sydney CBD, so if you happen to come here on a business travel or visit a friend who is living in this area and you are seeking for staying with a hotel in a busy area, this is a very good choice. But if you come to Sydney for visit, I don't recommend this hotel to you because it's too far away from all those famous attractions. It's definitely a no. It's pretty much about this hotel. I hope you like it. In my next video, I'm going to have a hotel review on Intercontinental Melbourne. Yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.